What's up, everybody? Chef Seymour here, and today is episode 3, season 2 of Cooking with Chef Seymour. Today's dish will be seafood pasta. And as always, the ingredients will be listed on the screen. Medium-sized pot, add water. Salt to taste. And a little drop of olive oil to make sure that the noodles don't stick. And finally, add your noodles. And for our side, how about we make some garlic? Here I have some softened butter, my Italian herbs, and my garlic. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a big pinch of Italian herbs, and then a big forkful of garlic. And then we're gonna mash them all together to combine. Now take a lined baking sheet and line it with aluminum foil. And then once you have your slices of bread, you're gonna scoop your compound butter, garlic butter mixture, and scoop it and spread it onto your bread on both sides evenly. You're done spreading your compound butter mixture on your slices of bread. Put it into your 350 degree preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden. Now let's cook our seafood. So our seafood for today's video will be shrimp and lobster, and I've already taken the time to pre-season it. And now let's cook. So here I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil into our pan. Then I'm gonna drop our meat and cook that on medium to high to medium heat to fully cook. Now let's make our Alfredo sauce. Here I have 4 tablespoons of butter and then 1 package of heavy whipping cream. Add more flavor. I'm gonna add 1 bag of Parmesan cheese, a shredded Parmesan cheese, and then a little bit of some roasted garlic. Mix all those ingredients up till they're all combined and let it cook on medium to low. Now, let's plate. I've already added our homemade Alfredo sauce beforehand, but I'm gonna top it off with some of our seafood. And then we'll side of our garlic. Now, let's try. Let's get a big bite of our seafood pasta. Shrimp is very well seasoned. Now, let's try our homemade garlic bread. I want to thank you all for joining me today on this episode of Cooking with Chef Seymour. And today is the year anniversary episode of Cooking with Chef Seymour. I want to thank you all for watching me for a year now. And thank you for all the subscribers. We hit 155 subscribers. Woo woo. I love you guys, and I'm out.